I'm a businessman.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. My name is Mr. Fungala Kwaki.
I'm John. Nice to meet
Okay, nice to meet you, John.
Mr. Quacky.
Mr. Fungala Kwaki. Nice to meet you. Who's the little cat? Yo, what's up, bro? Katy Perry. Hey, Katy Perry. Yo, I want to know what's the most expensive watch that you have in the shop.
The most expensive watch? Okay.
You guys look very synchro. The most expensive watch.
What about this one? This is Jacob & Co.
Okay.
26 pieces limited.
Okay.
And this is $600,000. It's a casino watch with a roulette.
Let's do something. Let's bet.
Bet?
Yeah, let's bet, bro.
Okay.
So, I propose you, if I choose the number and it's on the right number, the watch is for me and it's for free. But if I lose, I pay for twice.
Okay, yeah.
Twice the price.
Yeah, let's do it, but I need something before. Let's do it.
The guy wanna play with me, bro?
So, which number?
14.
14?
14.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm telling you, I'm a businessman, bro.
Yeah, you will never win. It's not possible.
Bro, 14. I told you, man. I'm a businessman, bro. Make the package now. The package? Be careful, bro. Don't break it. Can you put in the bag, please? Thank you very much. I'm a gentleman, okay? I will tag you, okay? It was a pleasure to work with you guys. Okay, sorry, Katy Perry. Sorry. Let me get a haircut. What's up? How you doing? How you doing, my sister from another mother? Are you my sister? China, what's up, my bro? How you doing, my bro? You good? Bro, you look very good, bro. Huh? Who's the best guy ever? Huh? It's you, me. How you doing? Wave check, bro. What's up, Solomon? How you doing, bro? I love your style, bro. You look so amazing. Who is he?
What's up, man?
Bro, I love your haircut, bro. You look so amazing. Logan. Oh my God, Logan. Let me get a haircut, bro. Yeah, bro.
You back again.
I need a haircut, bro.
What we doing today?
Today is the haircut.
Last time, I put your head in the microwave.
Yeah.
This time,
we put the hair in the oven.
let's do it.
Let's go. I'm sweating already.
My bag, please, sir. This is your bag. Thank you very much. I look so fresh today. Bro, come on. You don't have to smoke. Give me this, bro. Why you smoke? I'm